Njo jemesereza Eishengyero ry'ihanga rukwatanise na Ministry y'Eby'amagara okutebekanisa ho kwirikanga n'ekigendererwa cyo kujanjaza engiri yo kurwanisa endwara egi.
The burden of malaria in Uganda is extremely high, and that goes ahead with the mortality due to malaria. It is therefore imperative that as Ugandans, we come together as a community to fight this very high burden of malaria. The highest burden is in northern Uganda, and closely following that are areas in eastern Uganda and areas in central Uganda.
Uri umuhezi wa Speaker w'Eishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayewa yashoborera ngu ihanga ritiremerwe gukorekera kubasika ugurebekangu ryamarraho kimwe omushwija.
Now we are exporting malaria to our neighbors. We are exporting a burden to our neighbors because we have failed to take certain action. And to me, as an ordinary person, I believe malaria is more dangerous than even COVID. If we could get half of the effort we put in fighting COVID and we put it in fighting malaria, I can tell you in 1 year malaria would be gone. Maybe because malaria is killing mainly the poor, that's why we are not putting in effort. Otherwise COVID was killing us, the rich. COVID killed a lot of rich people. And maybe that's why we woke up and we started running around. To me, malaria is killing people because it's not killing someone in your home.
Yayongera ajumira abo bona abarukozesa obutimba bw'ensiri emirimo endijo erimo kutangiramu enkoko oteireho n'okubukwatiramu ebyenyanja.
The nets you are sending to the communities, some are being used for making the strongest ropes. Some are used for squeezing juice, some for wedding gowns, some for fishing, some for looking after chicken, some kukwate and swa. I mean, it's not helping. It's not helping. So let's put in all the effort. I have seen indeed really 5% is what we are providing.
Bikiriaho Minister w'Eby'amagara Honorable Dr. Jane Luther Cheng yashaba abantu bona okwihebya obutegetsi omukurwanisa omushwija gw'ensiri.
Politics was brought into play, and of course the people who benefit when we have malaria also came in to support the confused politics. And at that time everybody said DDT is not safe. But DDT was proven safe, and there are many countries that are still using DDT.
Minister Cheng yayongera ashobora ngombwiro bwireho bakaba nibenda okutandikaho ehuriro eyokufuhirira ensiri.
Okay, the spraying that the Right Honorable Speaker is talking about is a countrywide spraying, not indoor residual spraying, countrywide, attacking the mosquito, which harbors the parasite against malaria. Now this spraying is good. Many countries have sprayed before. Countries in the West, the European countries sprayed and they got rid of malaria using DDT. Several years ago, when Uganda attempted to spray, there was a lot of resistance when we said we were going to spray using DDT because of many reasons.
Omushaki weitu yagambaho n'abanyeishengyero abatari bamwe na bamwe abayeta b'omuhurrezi kandi aba beine ebagamba.
Twasharamu nka parliament turukurabira omudeputy speaker witu agwa speech yanahereza kugira ngo ministry y'eby'amagara egende shitame eteke hentekateka ninga sharing strategy okuturukubasa kwija kurwanisa omushwija na munonga turukurabira mu kintu cyo kufuhirira ensiri zikafa
nubwo kubukerezaho kwita abantu so nkito bamemba ba parliament okurwe tukatambura tukaragensi ngo tuyino kwegendesereza na no kuteka mama no mukurwanisa omushwija ogu gureke kwita abantu ba Uganda nico twaba tutamburira kandi ne cya kabiri kugira ngo yes embazo mwene baza kuboryo mu marwaro konka prevention okwetambiza nukukira okuzo mu irwaro okaza kuraguza
Makuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kampala.
Weba Ronald Ngabirano ahagwa makurago